Ok, hola, la clase de español 3. ¿Cómo fue la semana pasada y cómo estás? ¿Cómo te va? Estamos y estaremos en la semana 3 durante esta semana que viene. Ah, Será el 15 de septiembre hasta el 19 de septiembre. Para empezar con unas ideas como la información importantísimo. Level 3. Hey, hopefully, if you haven't already started, maybe you have started, hopefully you have started the course art content in week 3. But if you have not started, this week would be a good week to get that rolling. Complete registration for Duolingo and then weekly attendance as a reminder. Los martes, Tuesdays around 12 p.m. is when I like to take attendance. Here's the video nuevo happening right now. And una frase motivadora para por el día. Si quieres algo que nunca has tenido, tendrás que hacer algo que nunca has hecho. If you want something that you have never had, you're going to have to do something that you've never done. So, un poco de filosofía para empezar. All right. So, course arc week 3. Día 1, día 2, 3, 4, 5. We have repaso de los verbos como gustar, me gusta la pizza. ¿Te gusta la pizza? So other verbs in addition to gustar. And then repaso verbos en el presente. Activities with that. Repaso, actividades de verbos en el presente for day 4. Repaso, pronunciación, B y B. Repaso a escuchar y leer, so reading and listening. Parte 2, and then end of the week, check-in, como te sientes hoy, and then a summary. So you're moving through course arc. There's an arrow icon at the bottom of each slide or page, which takes you to the next corresponding page or slide. So please begin, if you haven't, begin navigating through that content. Reach out on Schoology Messenger with questions. And muchísimas gracias por su trabajo. Thanks for the work you're doing on this. All right, bienvenidos a la clase de español weekly attendance. Please log into Schoology folders by 12 p.m. on Tuesdays. Attendance will be taken around 12 p.m. You can also send a Schoology message. You can complete a test, quiz, project, activity, or assignment. But opening the folders will allow Schoology Analytics. The program can determine which students have been active by how much course interaction of assignments you have had throughout the previous few days, for example. All right, Septiembre. So we're looking at our next 5-day rotation, the 10th through the 16th. So this coming Tuesday, September 16th, attendance will be taken at 12 p.m. for the previous school days, 5 school days. All right, weekly teams, office hours. If by chance you have a Spanish grammar question or need assistance and you are unable to meet during the school day, Mondays, 5 to 7 p.m. Otherwise, daily office hours, essentially 9 to 3:30 p.m. I can certainly be flexible if you needed to meet at an earlier time than 9 a.m. And Thursday mornings, typically I'm not having office hours due to teacher meetings. All right, Duolingo. First assignment due around October 12th, el 12 de octubre. Please register if you haven't done so, working towards that 500 XP. And your course section is either 2 or 3. It will state that in Schoology. If you need assistance with that, by all means, reach out, send me a Schoology message. We'll use Vocaroo a ton. Perhaps more level 2. Actually, VoiceThread is going to be more common with our level 3 work. And then with recording of the name, or your name rather, you could go into Schoology Messenger, click on the microphone icon, and there's an audio video. If that's not an option, Vocaroo is certainly a good fallback plan for that as well. And finally, Schoology message for the quickest, most expeditious response. Email also works. just appreciate all the good communication and the meet and greets that have taken place at the building levels, and then as well as students sending in their voice recordings of the pronunciation on their first and last name. So muchísimas gracias por todo y nos hablaremos durante la semana que viene. Que tengas un buen día, chicos. Chao.